I realized that rape is more about power and not about sex. It is about establishing your will and your power over a helpless victim. The act is merely a symbol. The parts of the body that are involved in a rape are merely symbols. They don't actually signify anything. It is all about power. If Lilith wouldn't have pushed me, I wouldn't have known this. And now it is a part of my emotional memory. Now next time, and then of course 30 Days in September we did the play. There is one scene where, and you know how in the play the sex act takes place. She is there, I am here. And it takes place like this. There is no physicality. There is only words. Words, half-spoken words, general sense of increased breathing. So another point of emotional memory is that whenever you pass through an emotion, things happen to you. Things happen within your body, things happen within your mind, your eyes dilate, your speech changes, your breath changes. First thing that happens when an emotion comes, I mean, you all must have been in a new age, you are in a new age world. You all must have been touched by either Baba Ramdev or Shri Shri Ravi Shankar. I'm sure you all must be knowing meditation or has heard about meditation, breathing, how you relax yourself, how you concentrate on your breath, how the one single breath becomes longer and longer. The point is, as soon as you feel an emotion, your breath starts becoming shorter. It is this memory that we are talking about. It is the physical manifestation of the memory, emotion that you feel inside you that you have to remember as an actor. That has to become a part of your craft. And then, of course, you have to calibrate it properly, because suppose if it's merely a close-up, if it's a close-up, and if my suppressed anger is felt only by my palms, you know, ऐसे मुट्ठियां अकड़ जाती है, दांत भिड़ जाते हैं, तो दांत दिखेंगे मेरे क्लोजअप में, मेरे ये नहीं दिखेगा, तो उसका कोई मतलब नहीं है सर. तो वो मत करो. वो ना करके भी दिखाओ कि आप बहुत गुस्से में हो, और लेकिन फिर भी आप कुछ कह नहीं पा रहे हो. तो it is the memory of what happens to your body, what happens to your mind when you pass through a certain emotion. Emotion हमारे वहाँ भरतनाट्य शास्त्र में बोला गया है कि सिर्फ 9 किस्म के होते हैं. नवरस की बात होती है जब, कि भाई शांत रस, वीर रस, बिभत्स रस भी होता है, भयंकर भी होता है, श्रृंगार भी होता है. तो ये सब जो इमोशनल, ये जो पूरी पैलेट है इमोशंस की, उसकी मेमोरी आपको, अगर आप जियोगे नहीं तो होगी नहीं. मैं अगर 21 साल का एक्टर हूं और अगर मैं 27 साल का हूं, तो उसमें भी फर्क पड़ेगा, क्योंकि मैंने 6 साल जिंदगी ज्यादा जी है. We were also talking about art history. Why a painter should learn art history? What the F? What has a painter got to do? He has to learn painting techniques, right? Why should he learn what Michelangelo did or what Picasso was doing? How does it help all that body of useless information? It helps because it develops in you a sense of discretion of what is good art and what is bad art. So next time you pick up the brush, you will develop a certain sensibility as an actor. When next time, that's the reason why, like tennis, you should watch, watch good acting, watch acting at work. टेनिस में कहा जाता है कि देखने से बहुत कुछ सीखा जाता है. एक्टिंग में भी मैं वही मानता हूँ कि अगर आप कोई भी एक एक्टर को देखें और उसके, अभी फॉर एग्जांपल एक ही इमोशन रिपीट करना, वो इतना टफ है, ये मुझे आज तक पता नहीं था अगले साल तक. आई एम 50 राइट नाउ. Till 49 years of my age, I didn't know how difficult it is to reproduce the same emotion in 1 second and then after that another second. Try and say a line in the same way, and you will realize what I am talking about. I happened to experience it when I did Mr. Santosh's film Ajab Prem Ki Gazab Kahani. I don't know any of you who have seen it, but there is this scene. Yeah, there is this scene in the end where he tells me, "Wah, kya dialogue mara hai? Phir se boliye." And then I have to say it again. Believe me, it was a very tough scene to shoot. Because to get in a single shot, there was no editing. To get in a single shot the same word as if it is being rewound, you know, it is very tough. थोड़ा बहुत तो चेंज होता है यार. आपने 3 सेकंड जिंदगी ज्यादा जी है तो उसका भी फर्क पड़ता है. But I had to, it was very tough for me. I had to really earn my roti that day, you know. Yeah, I mean, एक्टिंग में कभी कभी ये भी होता है कि इतनी अच्छी लगती है एक्टिंग करनी कि आपको तो है ना आंख मार के आपके बेस्ट फ्रेंड को बोलने का मन होता है कि ये कितने मूर्ख लोग हैं, जो काम मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है करना उसके लिए मुझे पैसे दे रहे हैं.